Question number 12. Two circles, one with center O and another with P, are touching internally in point A. If BQ is 9, DE is 5, complete the activity to find radius of the circle. Now, OA, OB, OC, OD, radii of the bigger circle, which is equal to capital R. Then PQ, observe PQ, PA, radius of the smaller circle, that is small r. OQ is equal to OB minus BQ. Write it here. You know OB distance, subtract BQ from here, BQ is 9. OE is OD minus DE. As chords QA and EF of the circle with center P intersect in the interior of the circle, chords QA and EF, these are the two chords of the circle with center P which intersect in the interior of the circle in point O. Then the property of internal division of two chords, you have QA, you have OQ into OA is same as OE into OF. Substitute the values and find out capital R. Then AQ is twice smaller, that is 2R. So AB minus BQ, we know BQ is 9, AB minus BQ, we can get QA. Once we know QA, QA divided by 2 is nothing but radius of smaller circle. Let us solve this on the next slide. Your question number 12 in activity form. Let us solve this. Radii of the bigger circle you have. Then radius of the smaller circle, PQ is equal to PA is equal to R. Find out OQ, capital R minus 9, OE, capital R minus 5. As chords are intersecting inside the circle in the interior of the circle, so by the property of internal division of chords, you have QA into OA is equal to OE into OF. We have seen it on the previous slide. So substitute the value and simple multiplication. Multiplied R square minus 9R is equal to R square minus 5R minus 5R, that is minus 10R plus 5 5s are 25. So simplify this, where you have value of R as 25. AQ is twice smaller, that is AB minus BQ, but AB is twice R. So you have 2R as 41. So radius of the smaller circle is 20.5. Question in activity from mensuration chapter, page 156, page 157, page 158 and page 159, given for self-study. Complete practice set 7.4 is also given for self-study. Children, in next period we are going to start with construction of triangle. You are supposed to draw following things in your copy as a practice. So before we start with construction, I want you to do practice of these things. To construct a line parallel to a given line and passing through a given point outside the line. So these were the constructions which you have done in your previous classes. So you are supposed to revise this. To construct perpendicular bisector of a given line segment. To construct a triangle whose sides are given. Sides of your choice you have to take. To divide a given line segment into given number of equal parts. For example, you can take line segment 6 centimeter and divide it into 4 equal parts. To divide a line segment in given ratio. To construct an angle congruent to the given angle. You can draw 85-degree angle and you can construct congruent angle to this 85-degree angle. So you are supposed to do this for our next chapter.